guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how I stretch my hair by doing the African threading method. So I'm going to be using some weaving thread, and you're just going to need a scissors and some shea butter to moisturize the hair. I'll also be using a leave-in conditioner as well to add moisture to my hair. So I'm just going to start by just applying the leave-in conditioner to one of the sections that I've already made, and apply the shea butter on that as well. And I won't be using any combs for this because my hair has been detangled in the shower. So I'm just going to split that part into two sections. So when you start threading your hair, you want to thread from the base, and then you just thread all the way down until you reach the ends of your hair. And the closer that you thread your hair, the more stretch that you are going to get. So I just want to take a look and see what I do at the end. If you can tell, I will twist all the way until the end of the hair, and I'll make a loop. Just make a loop at the end, and then I'll just use the extra thread and just loop that through, and you're basically making a very, very loose knot. Once again, you just grab the hair at the base and you start threading your hair all the way down. The closer that you thread the hair, the longer stretch that you will get. Once you get to the end, you just want to make a loop, and then you just make a loose knot at the end. So basically that is what we're going to do with the rest of the sections that I already have parted. This is the next day, and we're just going to start unraveling our hair. So what you want to do is just to look for the loose part of the thread, then you just pull lightly on that, and then it'll just unravel all the way down. once we've unraveled all of the sections, you want to apply some oil just lightly onto your hair and your hands so that you don't cause any frizz. Then I'm just going to start smoothing each section down with my hands. So there I go in with the comb just to separate the hair some more. Alright, so you can see I've already done the one section and we're almost finishing up the other half as well. So once everything has been undone, you can just use the comb to just lightly comb through the hair and to get rid of the parts, which I did off camera. And as you can see, that's how I straighten my hair. And just to add a style that I did post on my Instagram account, it's a bit slightly different, but it's just another flat twist protective style that you can do just to get yourself through the week. So what I did off camera was just to make 4 parts of my hair. So what I did is I just made a center part from the front to the back of my head, and just above my ears I just made another line going from the one side of my ear to the other side, if that makes sense. So then what we're going to do is just to start flat twisting the one side of our head from the center part all the way down to the ear. Then we're going to go over to the other side and also do the same flat twist there as well.
That's good.
Then moving on to the back section, I've got a center part, so we're just going to start on the right hand side, and what we're going to do is just to do a flat twist from the top all the way to the bottom. My flat twisting is still a work in progress, especially if I have to twist, you know, like right in the middle of my head as well. So we're going to flat twist until we get to the bottom, and then once we're done with this section, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I don't have a recording of that part of the tutorial because the camera had stopped recording. So then once we're done flat twisting, we're just going to pin that away. Then we're just going to take the flat twist which I did in front, and we'll just pin that into the flat twist at the back. And this is what the finished style looks like, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.